Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and ʻOno Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you Mapo Udon. In a large pot over high heat, bring 8 cups of water to a boil. Add the udon and cook for 3 minutes. Remove from the water and place into an ice bath for 30 seconds. Quickly dry the noodles and place into a serving bowl. Add in the salad oil to a medium-sized non-stick pan over high heat. When it begins to lightly smoke, add in the pork, garlic, and ginger. Saute for a minute, then add the stock to deglaze the pan. Add in the doubanjiang, douchi, mirin, miso, oyster sauce, tsuyu, and sesame seed oil, and simmer until the pork is completely cooked, making sure to keep as much liquid as possible, about 3 minutes. Combine the cornstarch and cold water to make a slurry. Add it into the liquid to thicken. Add in the tofu and green onion. Then place the mixture on top of the udon noodles. Serve immediately. For this recipe and more, please visit kta superstores.com/recipes.